Hello, and welcome to Nourishing Connections, a program of togetherness. Today, we are cooking garden harvest chicken. Start by gathering your ingredients. You will need 1.5 pound chicken breast, extra virgin olive oil, 1 zucchini sliced, 1 bell pepper de-seeded and sliced, 1/2 of an onion sliced, 1 cup of grape or cherry tomatoes, 1/3 cup of pesto, the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. If you do not have lemon juice, you can replace this with 1/4 of a cup of distilled white vinegar. Zest from 1 lemon rind. This is optional. Toasted pine nuts, optional. Fresh basil. This is also optional. Instructions. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Sear in olive oil for 2 to 3 minutes per side, then set aside. Saute the sliced zucchini, bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes in the same skillet for 6 to 7 minutes until softened. Mix pesto, add chicken, back to the skillet, and pour the mixture over. Cook on medium-low heat for 1 minute. Remove from the heat, add lemon juice, optional zest and pine nuts, and fresh basil. Serve and enjoy.